Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to see how we can recover our lost Google Authenticator. So by the end of this video you're going to understand if it is available for you to be able to recover your Google Authenticator. So can you recover Google Authenticator without the old phone? You can recover Google Authenticator even if you lose access to your old phone. To do so, log into your Google account on your new phone and check Accounts and Import under the See All Settings options. Then access the two-step verification menu and open the Authenticator app section. From there, you can change the Authenticator app if you want to use it. Google Authenticator apps are tied to a particular device and cannot be recovered remotely, but it is possible to recover Google Authenticator access to your account by logging in through a new phone or using recovery codes provided when you first log in. If you lose your backup codes for your Google Authenticator, you can revoke them and get a new set of codes. You need to do the two-step verification section of your Google account, which is select Show Codes and then Get New Codes. So unfortunately, really, if you do lose your phone or if you do lose access to Google Authenticator, because it is binded to one account and to one mobile device, you will need to get basically a new device and log into the same account that the Google Authenticator is tied in, and then you'll be able to get your account back by doing a two-step verification process. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.